Hey guys, I am just done washing my hair. I used the Main Choice. Let me show you right now. I used the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian shampoo and I deep conditioned for 30 minutes with Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. So I decided to blow dry my hair today and I did not plan on making a video, so please don't get on me if this video is not perfect, but I just want to document and show you my process and progress. Videos to upload even from the summer. Today is October 5th, 2021, and yeah. Okay guys, so since I'm multitasking, you may hear the washer and dryer. So these are the products that I will be using. Those are all the products I could think of for now. If there's anything else, I'll just put it in the video. So I might just do a voiceover to save myself time. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, now I'm taking off my microfiber towel and I'll just be putting my hair into sections so that I can apply product before I blow dry. Now I'm putting my hair into 4 sections. Normally I put it into 5. I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. But later on you'll see that I do it in the video. So right now I'm just using my wide tooth comb and I'm combing through my hair, making sure the product is smoothed out throughout the whole strands of my hair, through the roots all the way to the tip. So I'm spraying, smoothing it out with my hands, and then using the comb to distribute the product. I'm gonna do that to all the sections of my hair and apply the next product. Okay, so this one is the heat protectant that I'm using, and all the information will be in the description box. I did not like using both of these products on my hair together. I'm not too sure why I did, but I'll explain more toward the end of the video. But right now I'm just smoothing on this product just like I did the first one. Okay, so I did end up making my hair in smaller sections, and I did leave a section for my crown area like I've always taught you guys. So I'm just doing, going through each small section with my blow dryer, and my blow dryer is on a medium heat. My hair does not like a lot of heat, so I never ever blow dry my hair on high. I have highly porous hair, so my hair dries very easily and quickly, so I don't need to apply a lot of heat to my hair. And there you see my hair's progress. It has been growing, although I do need to clip my ends. Okay, so the lighting is better this way, so I turned the camera this way. I didn't feel like setting up my lights. But yeah, just to let you know, when you saw me blow drying, these were the only 2 things I had in my hair. I put this in first and then this second. Now, this is the first time I've combined both, but after I blow dried my hair was still dry. And I haven't done it in so long. I'm like, how can I forget what products that I use when I blow dry my hair? So I found this. This is a product that I've had for a while now. I don't even know if they still sell this, but this has more moisture in it. And after I blow dried it, what you saw on camera, I went back and put my hair in sections and applied this, which is Smooth Shine Polishing Silk Style Heat Activated Styler. I went back and I put this in my hair in sections and blow dried it in sections. And very, very quickly, I started to feel my hair feel really, really soft. And I was like, okay, this is the moisture that I needed. I really didn't like the way my hair was feeling. And this has silk and wheat proteins, and it's a heat protectant. So that's really, really good. I don't think they sell this anymore, but you guys can check, screenshot. Okay, so let me show you how my hair looks. All right, so Again, I just blow dried it with that I just showed you. So yeah, guys, that's it really. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I wanted to see what my ends are looking like so I can clip it, because the last time I clipped my ends, it was like February. So I'm gonna go through my hair and I'm gonna clip my ends. Hopefully I don't have to clip too much. I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe flat ironing my hair. But you see my hair, guys. I'm not gonna do a length check because last time I did a length check, people have too many opinions. So I'll do my length check for me off camera, and then you guys can just see my hair when I'm styling it, and you can see if it's grown, if it hasn't, whatever. I'm still on my own personal hair journey. In all honesty, I don't care what anybody else thinks. You know, I have setbacks, I've had setbacks, and so on and so forth. So as I'm posting more videos of my hair, you will get to see the growth, the progress, the length, the health, everything else. I don't think I'll be doing any more length checks on camera with my tape measure and everything like that. People on YouTube can be really not so nice, and I really don't have time for it. So yeah, so this is what it's looking like, guys. I'm done. I don't know how I'm gonna style my hair, but I feel like my hair, I don't know, I always feel like it's grown, but not as much as I would like. Yada yada yada. You want to see my crown area? My crown area is doing really well. This is my crown. This is my crown. It's the way it's parted, that's why it looks like that, but this whole section is my crown area. There it is. Yeah, and this is my sides. So you can kind of see, and then the back, I'll take a big, you can kind of see. I don't know how to do it the other way. Hold on. Don't mind my nails. I know I gotta get my nails done. Yeah, guys, so you get the gist of it. This is my hair, though. I'll come back and show you what I end up doing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Okay, so guys, I ended up flat ironing my hair. As you can see, it's in a wrap right now. It's not bone straight, but I feel like it's as straight as I've ever gotten it since I flat ironed. And I don't flat iron that often. I flat ironed my hair in February of this year, and it didn't come out straight at all. It was straight, but then it was kind of a little bit frizzy, so then I had to kind of like do it in bantu knots so it could have like waves. This time I think I could wear it straight, because when I put it down, it looked like it was straight, but a little bit of frizz. So I figured, okay, let me wrap it up like I did, you know, back in the day when you had your perm and you wrapped your hair. And I'm gonna put my scarf on it, and then I'm gonna take it down. I put some Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp, and I also put, let me show you, this on my edges. Don't pay no mind to my fingernails. I put this on my edges just to keep them down. I didn't put it on my whole head, just the edges part. So let me put the scarf on, and then I'm gonna change it to something nice so I can take some pictures, because I don't ever flat iron my hair, so I want to take pictures of how it looks. And then most likely I have to clip my ends, because I did see, I think it's different, like when you wear your hair curly, you don't see the end, so you don't really need to clip, but I think I need to stay on top of my trims a little more often. So I'm gonna take it down and then take pictures and some video, and then I'm gonna clip the ends, and then I'll show you everything at the end. Okay.